Hello everyone, welcome to this course. In today's session, we learn the configuration of versions. So, what is versions? A version is in SAP is a way to store and compare different types of data like actual data, record real results, planned data, budget and planned value, forecast data, predicted future trends, and simulation data, what if scenarios. These let you maintain multiple versions for the same controlling area and analyze them easily. And main purpose of versions to separate different types of data, version 0, version 1 and version 2. Version 0 type actual, it's ledger standard ledger. 1 it's for plan and ledger planning ledger. Second, forecast simulation ledger. Version in SAP is control mechanism that separate actual plan and forecast data. Version 0 is the standard actual version where all real posting go by default. Versions are used across CO, controlling and material ledger, especially for actual costing, planning and multi-currency valuation. Next, what happened during posting when you do transactions like goods issue to production order, goods issue to cost center, goods receipt, invoice posting. All actual posting automatically go to version 0. You do not select the version manually during posting. SAP posts to version 0 by default. In real time, you understand more because actual business transactions always hits version 0. Next, in version used only material ledger, so the answer is no. Version is used in multiple areas, not only the material ledger. Areas and uses of versions: material ledger, actual costing, multiple valuation views and currency, product costing, calculate and simulate product cost, profitability analysis, plan and analyze profitability, sales and operations, version specific demands planning. Planning scenarios, simulate different planning scenarios, project system, plan and monitor project cost. Material ledger is one major use, but not only one. The role of version in material. So the version uses in SAP material ledger. In SAP material ledger, a version is mainly used for actual costing. All posting, goods receipt, goods issue, invoice are recorded in version 0. Version 0 is the default actual version in SAP. Next, month end activity. At the month end, material ledger calculate the actual material price. Second, all calculation happens using the versions. Next, valuation and currency. Support multiple valuation approaches. Second, works with company code currency, group currency, hard currency if available. Versions stores values in these currencies. So the conclusion is the version is a core part of material ledger that manage actual data and ensure accurate actual costing. I hope today's session was clear. In the next session, we will move to the hands-on part of version. If you like this session, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.